Konnichiwa minasan, Aishwarya Dev. So today we are learning Katakana series. So let's start. So today I'm taking my pen. Let's start. Like that, yeah, one more. Like that we are learning Hiragana. Okay, so like that we have to work on Katakana also. There is no any method to remind this like we did in alphabets, right? From writing that we do practice at when we are child. Okay, so like that we have to work on this also. Like a child, we have to practice this katakana. Okay, so let's start. So e u e. You can see here it's like I in alphabets, but it's not like that. It's E. Okay. O. Now Ka series. Ka, Ki. If you remember the key in hiragana, it's similar, only there is no any point. There is a point, here is no point. Okay. So remember that thing. Now Ku. Guys, don't be confused on Ku and K. Okay. It's K. Now O. Now Sa series. Sa. Chi. Ru. Te. And So. Now Ta series. Ta. Hi. Sorry. Chi. Su. Don't be confused on she or su. Okay. They are like this and they are like upside down. Okay. They are little bit inclined. So they. So now ha. Sorry. Now. Now. Hmm. It's like seven. Nu and ni. Don't worry, guys. I will make small, short video also on it. So that will be more like it will be comfortable for you, right? Sits no. So okay, we are learning from A to Na series. Okay, let's practice it. Okay, and we will do tomorrow Ha to series. Okay, like that we did in Hiragana series. Okay, so mata ni minasan, arigatou gozaimasu.